Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to cook carrot halwa and I'm going to show you instant kova preparation as well with this video. So I'm going to cook carrot halwa with kova, instant kova. Let's start. I'm going to cook both at the same time. So one side is I got the pan for to roast the carrot, and the other side I have a pan to prepare kova. So I will show you both at the same time. First I'm going to add some milk. Add 1 cup of milk. This is fresh milk, 160 ml. So we are going to boil this milk first. Meanwhile, I've taken one more pan. Take a wide pan. To this I'm going to add ghee. This is around 3 tablespoons of ghee. This is fresh homemade ghee. So I have grated carrot, 1 kilo of carrot. So I used this grater. There are 3 different sizes. This is a small one, big one, and the medium size one. So I used the medium size. So 1 kilo of carrot grated, add to this ghee. Roast carrots in the ghee for at least 3 minutes. Before we add the milk, we have to roast the carrots first. The milk is boiling here. Now it's time to add milk powder. Taken 1 cup of milk powder. Add milk powder to the milk and then mix it without any lumps. Mix it without any lumps. Side by side, mix the carrots as well. Scrape all the sides when you're mixing. So this is getting thick. Now I'm going to change the flame to medium. The carrot's color is changing now. We are going to cook 1 more minute. And the kova is getting ready here. We can do both at the same time. I'm making a sweetless kova, so I'm not going to add sugar. If you want a sweet kova, this is the right time to add sugar. This is almost done. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. இது வந்து கோவா, இன்ஸ்டன்ட் கோவா வித் மில்க் பவுடர்.
இது பொடிக்கவா?
இது பால் கோவா செய்வோம்ல நம்ம வீட்டில், அதே தான்.
ஸ்வீட்
இது ஸ்வீட் போடாமல் பால் கோவா. இது நான் இப்போ கேரட் ஹல்வா பண்ணுறல அதில் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறேன். See, everything is coming out nicely without sticking anywhere. Just scrape out all the sides. It's really tasty. Don't leave that. Don't leave them. So my kova is
Ready.
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 It only takes 5 minutes. In 5 minutes you can prepare this kova. You don't have to go to shop to buy this.
You can
This
save
is
money.
ready. Yes. This is done. I'm going to turn off the flame. Let's concentrate the carrots. It's nicely cooked with ghee. So the kova is ready. I'm going to prepare the carrot. It only takes only 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes to prepare the kova. We can do it at home. It's so simple. If you prepare at home, the taste will be amazing. The carrots are cooked now. I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. One cup of milk is more than enough. So I'm going to cook the carrot for 3 minutes. So I'm going to cover the lid and cook for 3 minutes. Then we will add sugar. For 1 kilo of carrot, you can add the sugar amount as per your wish, but I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. Take a pan. I'm going to roast some dry fruits. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add some cashews. Roast cashews first. To this I'm adding some almonds, badam. You can skip this if you don't want to add almonds. It's roasted nicely. I'm adding some dry grapes. This is optional. So the dry fruits are ready. Once the dry grapes are bubbled up, then you can turn off the flame. Let's check the carrot. So the milk is completely evaporated. It's cooked. The carrots are cooked nicely. Now I'm going to add sugar. It's cooked nicely. It's time to add sugar. I'm adding 1.5 cups of sugar. To this add the kova that we prepared. Mix everything. Once you add the sugar, it will melt and carrot halwa with kova always tastes delicious. So simple.
What are you making?
Nada?
What are you making?
Carrot halwa. Appa's birthday la.
Yeah.
Adnala da amma carrot halwa konda. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee. I already added, so I missed to record. That's why I'm showing again. This is almost done. Transfer the dry fruits. Mix all of them. It's looking great. I just know I tasted. The sugar level is perfect. The color is looking great as well. With the kova, it tastes delicious. Once it's coming out of the pan without sticking anywhere, that means this is done. We can turn off the flame now. Carrot halwa with kova. It's ready to serve. It looks great. It's perfectly cooked. Perfect sugar consistency with a lot of dry fruits. The carrot halwa with kova is ready to serve. Now I'm going to split them into two. I'm going to serve as it is in a bowl first. Half of them like this, and I'm going to make it like a laddus. Keep one cashew on the side. It looks good when you have cashews or raisins. Like this, roll it and then keep it. For parties, you can do like this. At home, you can eat as it is. So I prepared kova, instant kova with milk powder. You can make hundreds of desserts using kova, especially Indian desserts. Most of the desserts will go with, it's cooked with kova. Yummy, yummy, delicious carrot halwa with kova is ready. It's you can have it with spoon, or you can make it into laddus, or even you can make it into square shapes, whatever shape you like to have. This is great for parties if you shape it, and then it looks so good with some dry fruits, cashews on top. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in another video. Bye.